I made more money in 90 days than my financial advisor made me in 5 years. And that's when I realized something crucial about wealth building. The traditional financial world teaches you to save pennies, while the real players are building systems. That's exactly what Hill and Levy Wealth Academy showed me. Here's what makes them different. They don't teach theory, they teach execution. While other programs give you motivational speeches, Hill and Levy gives you actual systems. Credit mastery that can secure you $50,000 to $500,000 in business funding. Real estate tools for building rental income and Airbnb properties. Tax strategies that actually save you money. And modern network marketing that works. They combine all of this into one unified wealth blueprint. Because here's what I learned. Wealth isn't some mysterious secret that only the elite understand. Wealth is a system, and when you have the right system, the right mentorship, and the right tools, you can build 6 to 7 figure income ecosystems without the confusion and overwhelm. Their mission is simple. Equip everyday entrepreneurs with everything they need to build real wealth, not get-rich-quick schemes, not empty promises, real systems that work. Because when you understand that wealth is a system, not a mystery, everything changes.